All right, let me open up this card pack because I'm really interested in doing this. Here. All right, come on. I forgot I had these. Are you ready to open them up? Ooh, shit. All right. Please get Ronaldo. First card pack opening. We have get your ass on. Wait, is that Ronaldo? Who the fuck is this? Who is this? Messi? Who is this? Bro, yo chat, did I get Premier League players? What the, yo chat, who are these people? I don't think I got Premier League players, bro. What the fuck? Hell nah. Alright, second card pack opening. We have let's go! Vinny! Vinny! Dual pack! We might gotta buy some more FIFA points, chat! Let's go! Dual pack! Who else? BVB Bumblebees? Get your bitch ass on. FC Bayern. Who we have? Get the fuck on! PSG. Who do we have? Who the fuck is one? Yo, get your trash ass on. The W Winchesters. Who is this? Who is that? Pogba? Man, get your ass! Who is this? Oh, that's the ad. All right, y'all, we got a little. Oh, okay, we got a little few more packs. Oh, we have Real Madrid again. Are we going to get Ronaldo? Come on, let's get Ronaldo, baby. Come on. Real Madrid. Midfielder. Who is this? Is that Eden Hazard? Eden Hazard! Turn me out! W France in the chat! Let's go! FC Barcelona. He's a forward. Who the fuck? Yo, bro, get your... Who the fuck? I'm used to Fetty. Yo, get your trash ass on. FC Bayern. Turn around the court. He's a midfielder. Who? Fuck on. Ori, man! Ass. Who is this? Ass. Ass. What's up with these ass packs? God damn, yo, chat. Can I get a Ronaldo? Can I get a Ronaldo? Ronaldo is not in packs. Yes, he is. What do you mean? What the fuck are you talking about? All right, we got another pack. Let's go. Bro, who the fuck is... Yo, bro. Pogba cousin? Like, come on now. Byron again, bro. Alexander Arnold. Why, bro? Why are they giving me Alexander Arnold trash ass? Probably one of the worst defenders in the goddamn league. Byron again. Alexander Arnold again? Damn! Alright, we got the Red Bulls. Who is this? Hummels? Okay, not bad. Who is this? Fucking, oh, yeah. Quartius? Damn, bro. This is bad. Bro, I might gotta buy more FIFA points, y'all. It's looking bad right now. Come on, can we get a Ronaldo in these packs, dog? North Korea! Konnichiwa! Son! We just pulled son! Son! Let's go! Stop playing! Red Bulls again. Who is it? Ass. Real Madrid. He's a defender. Pogba, not bad. PSG. Oh my god. Is this Neymar Jr.? Is this Neymar Jr. chat? You see this shit? I don't give. You see this shit? You see this? You see this? The fuck is you talking about? Neymar, get out of my packs, dog. Real shit. Fuck out of here. Neymar, get your ass up out of here, boy. The fuck out of here. Bye-bye, Neymar. I should have burnt it. All right, we have the B. Who is this? Laney Bryan. Like fucking Chelsea. Who is this? Oh, I don't fucking know you. Oh, we don't, bro. We don't have that much packs, dog. I need to get a Ronaldo, bro. I have to give me a Ronaldo, bro. All right, come on. Who is this? Oh, I'm doing it wrong. It's like this. Who is this? Oh, it's blue. I got a Tots. We getting Tots. Kristen Audier. Not bad. All right, Athletic Madrid. Who is this? D.Y. Howard. Not bad. All right, Athletic Madrid again. Nah, that's ass. Ass. Fuck, man. Oh, who are you? Fuck out of here. Liverpool. Please be ass. Who is this? Ass, man. Damn. Can we get a Ronaldo? Neymar course worth $4,000? Say you swear. Damn. We have Manchester City coming up. Fucking Manchester City. Who we got? Who's that? Holland? Holland! Ballhead Holland. BVB Bumblebees. Who was that? Holland again? Damn, he's so fucking ugly, bro. I've never seen a football player this fucking ugly, man. If he wasn't a football player, he would get no ass, man. He's like a fucking bully Disney character. He just looks like a bully, like he just bullies people. All right, what club is this? The Celtics, bro. Why they got the NBA on here? Represent NBA. Are we gonna pull a Ray John Rondo? Who the fuck? McGregor? What the shit? Hell no. Barcelona? Bro, I haven't pulled Manchester United yet. What club is this? I think this is Mexico. Yeah, that's Mexico. Ass, man. Manchester United! He's a defender. Ronaldo. 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 Who are you? Who the fuck is this? Victor Lanadopoulos. This fucking Harry Maguire brother? Who the fuck is that? Damn, but these packs are so ass. God damn. Shit. Oh, I'm doing it wrong. R.A.W. Who's that, son? Hiroki Saki. Oh, that must be. Who are these people, man? Can I pull a Ronaldo? TT, get out of here, man. Athletic Madrid, come on. Fuck, man. Mexico. Come on, Mexico. Pogba! No, who is that? Celtics, NBA again. Oh, bro, I only have 2 more packs left, chat. Oh, Ronaldo, please, bro. I would do anything in this world to get Ronaldo, dog. Athletic Madrid. I mean, which one is this? Yeah, chat. This Athletic Madrid, right? Ooh, he has a 100 attack. Oh, I just pulled a Tots. I just pulled a Tots. Who is this? Yo, chat. Who is Saul Niguez? Saul Niguez. His last name is Niggas. What the hell? I just pulled a Tots. Who is this? Who is this? W! Tots! Let's go, baby. What is this? Manchester City. Ass. Real Madrid. Cordius! Shout out to Belgium. The guy who carried the whole Real Madrid this Champions League finals. The B. Ass, bro. Club Rogue. Fuck, man. United. Come on, please be Ronaldo. Please be Ronaldo, bro. Please. Please, please, please. Please be Ronaldo. I'd do anything. Who? Bro, I have been following Man United for like 4 months. I have never seen nobody saying Juan Mata on the fucking Man United. Who the fuck are you, man? Who are you, dog? Like, why the fuck is you in my camera right now? Who the fuck is this? Damn! I don't have no more packs. I didn't pull them, bro. I didn't pull. Fuck, I didn't pull them, dog. Damn, I didn't pull them. Oh, wait, no, I got one more. Oh, chat, this is my last one, dog. Fuck, bro. I gotta buy more, y'all. I'm gonna buy more. My last one, chat. Please, man. Ronaldo will literally make me happy, dog. Athletic Madrid. Come on. No. PSG. Who the fuck are you? Why am I... Damn, Neymar, stop getting my fucking packs. Damn. Fuck is wrong with Neymar? Real Madrid. Whoa, I know him. He's pretty good. I used to... what's this guy name? What's his name? He's he's pretty good in FIFA. He's not bad. All right, BVB Bumblebees. Fuck out of here. Brent. Fuck out of here. Chelsea. No, he's the last person. Man, oh, I don't have any more now. Oh. Neymar worth 10,000? Oh, this ain't a 10,000 card? No way! This worth 10,000? No. No. No, I just lost $10,000. No, where the other one go? Chat, what if it's bent? No. Y'all lying, bro. Chat, please don't lie to me, dog. No. I don't have any more packs, dog. I should have bought more. I should have bought more packs. No fucking way, dog. I just lost 10,000? No, hold on, wait. Let me look up. Oh, hell no. Let me look it up. Let's see. How much is he worth? How much is he worth? Man, this shit say $5. Bro, this shit say $5. Man, stop lying all the damn time, bro. Man, that shit say $5, dog. Why the hell is y'all lying, dog? That shit said $5. I don't have no more packs, bro. Fuck. Damn. Yo, chat, should I buy some more packs, though? Damn, I could have sworn I bought a lot, though, bro. Yo, chat, should I buy more packs, y'all? Let me know. And chat, should I do some P.O. box openings? I forgot I got some P.O. boxes over here. I got a lot of P.O. boxes. You know what? I'm gonna do a field. All right, this is from my man's Elizabeth Ostergaard from Ohio. Shout out to you, my man. See what you gave me. Oh! W! Ooh, it smell like ass though. God damn, your fucking house stink. But thank you, dog. Suey! Oh my god, why do your house smell like ass, bro? Clean that fucking house. Alright, this is from my man's... he's from LA. What is your name? Your name is... It doesn't tell me your name, but you're from LA, though. That guy's from LA. Let's see what you gave me. Uh-oh. What the fuck is this? Oh, no, this is... No, this... I just leaked something. Oh, shit. Oh, I didn't mean to leak this. No, I didn't mean to leak that. Fuck. Well, damn, y'all already seen it. Fuck. No, that wasn't a P.O. box. Damn, I already leaked it. Fuck. Well, okay, alright. I leaked it. Okay, you know what? Oh, wait, let me calm up. I did not mean to leak that, bro. Fuck. Wait, hold on, wait, Chad. Let me call somebody, bro. I might have made a bad mistake. All right, y'all, we're back. All right, we have another person. He's from... you're from New Jersey. Who's from New Jersey, Chad? Who's from New Jersey? Chill. He's from New Jersey. What do I mean, Simon? What are these? Bro, did he just give me a fake Ronaldo shirt? Bro, did he just give... Bro, Chad. Did he just give me a fake Ronaldo shirt, dog? The fuck is a 17? Man, don't give me this shit! Bro, he just gifted me a fake Ronaldo shirt. And what the fuck? Hell nah, dog. He just gifted me a fake Ronaldo shirt, bro. Hell nah, dog. The fuck is wrong with you, man? Damn, this shit's fire, though. Fuck. Oh, that shit's tough. Holy shit. I know it's gonna look like that. Hell nah. Oh, 17 for my age? Oh, right. Alright, y'all. Alright, chat. This is the last one I'm opening. Bro. I'm not showing y'all this. I'm not showing y'all that one. You know what? I'm not gonna show y'all nothing anymore. Yo, y'all ain't gonna lie, y'all going crazy with the... Y'all going crazy. I'm not gonna lie, y'all going crazy. Y'all voice going crazy. Wait, we actually have a P.O. box. Wait. Hold on, wait, we got one more. I'm not showing y'all. I'm not showing y'all. Alright, dog. Somebody sent me, his name is... it doesn't say his name? Nope, it doesn't say your name. But he sent me... I think we got a drawing, y'all. I don't know who sent me this. You didn't put your name on there? Let's see what it is. Ooh, nice drawing. Ooh. Who sent me this? Double L drawn, double L. Ooh. Double L. Nice. Double L. Who drew this, chat? Now, this shit's actually unique, though. Hopefully, bro. Hopefully you didn't trace it, bro. Hopefully you actually drew that from your heart. Let me see if you put else. No, you ain't put anything else in here, bro. What the hell? That's weird. All he just put, yo, chat. All he just put was his drawings. He didn't put his name or none of that. So I can't even shout out his name. Yup. He's like, bro, you didn't put your name anywhere. It's kind of tough. Me. Thank you. All right, I think we have another one. Let's see. We have another one. We got a lot. God damn, y'all. Alright, we have this one. Alright, man. Ooh, wait. Is these more? No, wait. Ooh, wait. Guess what? I'm so glad I checked these. We got more cards! Let's go. Go on the drawings. Oh, in the back of the page? Oh, you're right. Oh, here we go. It said, okay. Oh, yeah, thank you. It says Touch of Love by Art and what is that, Robert? Yo, chat, does that say Robert? Am I wrong or right? Did that say Robert or right? Did that say Robert? What is that, Robert? Touch of Love. Art. Yep, Art by Robert. Yo, everybody spit up the dub, Robert, in the chat. Yo, I can't believe I got more packs, bro. Let's freaking go. I did not know I bought more, bro. I swear to God, I did not know I bought more. See, chat. Like, chat, y'all ever order stuff and just don't look, and just don't look at it? All right, y'all, let's go, bro. Come on, y'all. Y'all know we're not done. Y'all know our goal. Y'all know what our goal is to get a Ronaldo. Holland, bitch ass. Bro, it's the same packs. Bro, are these the same packs? Real Madrid. Marcelo! The Brazilian king! Let's go! PSG. Who was that? Fucking trash ass. Dub, who is this? Oh, man. Who is this? Fucking trash. Come on, Speed. Y'all know what I want, right? Y'all know what I want, right, chat? Real Madrid again. Have another Real Madrid. Yo, who is this? Icicle? Get your fucking Liverpool, shit pool. Alexander Arnold again, bro. Barcelona. Pogba, not bad. Mexico. Fucking trash ass. Oh. Bro, chat. No, I don't want Messi, bro. I don't fucking want Messi. If I get Messi, bro, I'm not gonna. That's gonna be a problem. All right, PSG. Who is that? The fuck is that? Oh, Icardi! Man United! This is it. This is it, okay? This is it. Cross our fingers right now, okay? Cross our. Here we go. I'm gonna close my eyes. 3, 2, 1. I heard this guy did some bad things. I don't know if it's true or not. But get the fuck on, boy! Damn! No way, chat. Am I gonna go to jail? Wait, I'm gonna go to jail since I got that card? No way. I can go to jail if I got that card? Hell no. Oh, Mason Greenwood, he was a great player, man. No, okay, good, bro. I thought I was about to go to jail since I got that shit. All right, Barcelona. Messi! your ass on, Messi. Get your ass on. Fuck is wrong with you, boy? Fuck Messi. The fuck? Are you serious? Hell no. Messi worth 100,000 Noki. That was worth 100,000? Oh, was it? Stop. Oh, PSG again. That wasn't worth 100K, bro. Stop it, dog. Stop it. Stop trolling me, bro. Really? Bro, I ain't gonna lie. We gotta burn Messi, bro.
Don't!
It's Messi, though.
Don't set the damn lighter. Don't do it. Don't even turn it on.
It's Messi. What is Messi? Damn. Fucking God, bro. Fuck Messi, bro. Damn, bro. She must like Messi or something, bro. What the fuck? Damn, dog. Bro, she a Messi fan? Towing him Spurs. Oh, I don't know, you shit pool. Byron. Alexander Arnold again. Red Bull. Ass. L Pack. Oh my gosh. Bro, Chad, is she a Messi fan? Shit. Chad, she's a Messi fan? Towing him Spurs. Oops. Wait, what is it? I think it's Son! No, wait, hold on, wait, Chad. Should I prank my mama? Nah, I don't want to do that. I low-key want to prank my mama. She gonna get mad at me, though. It's not funny. That's not funny. I want to prank her so bad. No, bro. Let's go. Nah, bro. Seriously, nah, bro. Cause I remember what I did. Let me tell y'all. Y'all remember what happened the last time when I, the Pikachu, it really did fuck her up, SD from that, I think she had to go to this one shit, cause it really fucked her up or some shit. I don't want to do it, but I do at the same time though. I don't want to get in trouble. I don't feel like getting in trouble right now. It's my mother, exactly, bro. Don't do it. Yeah, nah. Bro, y'all weird, bro. It's the fact people in the chat be like, do it. Bro, it's like y'all don't care about, bro. Do y'all care about me? Y'all be like, do it. Bro, do y'all care about me? Holy shit. PSG, man. Get out of here! Mbappe! Y'all know what these mean, right? Ha! Fuck Mbappe, bro. The day you leave PSG is the day I will have respect for you. Real shit. Mbappe, the day you leave PSG is the day I will have respect for you. You full-gas motherfucker. And you a Ronaldo fan, bro. So you switched up on Ronaldo for some fuck. Ooh, I want to do it, Chad. I want to do it. I want to do it so bad, bruh. I want to do it. How much he's worth, bro? How much is he worth? Bro, fucking Mbappe, dog. Mbappe is so ass, dog. How much he's worth, Chad? Yo, Chad, how much he's worth? He worth 50,000? He worth 50,000? Don't do it, Ari, bro. Ooh, I just want to. Woo, man, I don't want this card though. I'm not an Mbappe fan, bro. Like, I don't. All right, man. Red Bulls, man. Wait, chat. Is it weird that I'm? Wait, chat. Is it weird that I'm liking? Like, I'm starting to like chat. No weird shit, but I'm starting to like Neymar. Is that weird? Like, I'm low-key starting to like Neymar for some reason. Get the fuck out of here, man. Get your ass out of here. Is that weird, chat? Oh, Chelsea up. Who is this? Who is this? Pause. Get out of here, dog. No. Nah, chat. Nah. The reason why I'm saying that because, look. Neymar. I don't know, bro. I just don't, bro. Me, okay. Alright, told him. Told him Spurs. Told him Spurs. I'm about to get Son again. How much on the bet? What the fuck? Pogba? B. Get out of here. Oh, get out of here. Red Bull. Get out of here. Man United, please. United right here. Please be Ronaldo. Please be Ronaldo. Please. Bro, who are you? Ew. Shit. Wait, I got Man United. Wait, I got Man United on the first one. Let's get it. Come on, Ronaldo. Harry fucking Maguire. Harry Maguire. Chill out, Speed. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, bro. Why do I have this guy? Why do I have this trash ass England fucking guy, bro? Why do I have this trash ass England guy, dog? Harry fucking Maguire! Damn! Tired of your ass! Who gave you a 76 pass? Who gave you a 74 skill? 54, 99 power? 88 tackle? What the fuck? 58 speed? What are you, 300 pounds? Who gave me this? How much he worth, bro? How much he worth? How much he worth? 1 million? Deadass. Here, make it worth 1 million. Say you swear. 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 Harry Maguire card. Harry Maguire card worth. Come on. Oh, are you fucking, bro? I'm about to beat y'all last, dog. On my mama, bro. Oh God, I'm about to get mad, bro. Y'all pissing me off now, bro. Oh God, y'all starting to get on my nerves, bro. Bro, this nigga, bro, he worth 99 cents, bro. Oh my fuck, bro. Y'all about to piss me the fuck off, dog. Y'all about to really piss me off, man. He's worth 99 fucking cents, dog. Y'all about to really get on my fucking nerves, bro. Y'all about to really piss me off, bro. Real shit, bro. Y'all about to really get on my fucking nerves, dog. He worth 1 fucking cent. Damn, man. God damn. 1 fucking cent. Why do y'all lie so damn much? Chelsea, defender. Who is this? Who is this? LeBron James? Real Madrid. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Mendy. PSG defender, Sergio Ramos. Who is this? Marquez, CEO. Who is this? Ass. Man United, please be good. Oh, Man United, come on, bro. This is my last chance. Why am I not getting I'm getting everybody but Ronaldo, dog. I'm pulling everybody but Ronaldo, dog. Can I please get Ronaldo, dog? Every damn body but Ronaldo. Oh, it's Fred. You know what? Nah, I like Fred. You know what? I like Fred. It's not even an L. I like Fred. I like Fred. You know what? Nah. I like Fred. Okay. I like Fred. I like Fred. Nah, real shit. I like Fred. That's my boy. Fred's my boy. That's not an L. Fred is my boy, bro. I can't get mad. I can't get mad, chat. I can't get mad. I fuck with Fred. All right, come on. Man City. Come on. Turn me up. Come on. Fuck out of here, man. Real Madrid. Come on. Benjamin Franklin! Benjamin Franklin! Benjamin Franklin! Ben Zama! Ben Zama! Put the W's in the chat! Put the W's in the chat! Ben Zama! First president! Come on now! I already have, I don't know what this is right here. B. BVB Bumblebees, come on. Oh, ass. Who is this? Fuck, ass. Chelsea. Oh! Looking like an L right now, y'all. I'm trying to pull Ronaldo, bro. Yo, you know what's crazy? I pulled Messi before Ronaldo, dog. Why am I getting Messi before Ronaldo? Appreciate liverboard. All right, BBB Bumblebee, Shaq. Come on, turn me up. What's this? What the fuck? Celtics. Oh, no. Byron. Oh, Mexico. Oh, this pack was so ass, bro. Holy crap, Liverpool. Oh, my God, this pack was so ass, bro. Holy crap, chat. Spam the L's for that pack right there, y'all. Oh, my God, chat. That's had to be the worst pack I've ever pulled in my life, dog. Spam the L's for that pack right there, bro. Spam the L's for that freaking pack, dog. All right, chat, this is my last pack. I only got like a few more packs left. This is my last pack, y'all. Clean your nails? Nah, bro. I like to dig in my ass a lot, so that's why I look kind of weird. All right, PSG. Midfielder. He's a midfielder, PSG. Pop! Chill. Boston Celtics. Come on. Who's this? Jerry Frimpong? Get your trash ass on. Athletic Madrid. Come on. Ooh, no. Red Bull. Ah, no. Who is this? Oh, Liverpool. Sadio Mane! Shout out to Nigeria. Not a dub. That's 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 a dub, y'all. That's a dub. 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 That's a dub, chat. Let's go. All right, Man City. Come on. Oh, fuck on. Oh, Vissa. No, Real Madrid. Gareth Bale, bro. I lost respect for this guy. He went to the fucking MLS, bro. He could have kept playing the Premier League, bro. But nah, you want to go to the MLS, man. Stick to the Premier League, bro. Carvey. Boston Celtics, no. Chelsea. Conte! Nah, I love Conte. Go let them boy chicken that bond that. Bumblaka. Shout out to Conte, man. Jamaica on top. Alright, PSG again, bro. PSG. Bro, this motherfucker. Bro, why the fuck do I keep getting Mbappe? Why the fuck do I keep getting him? Damn! Shit! Bro, turn this on! Damn! Why do I keep pulling Mbappe, man? Shit! PSG again. Athletic Madrid. Miguel. Red Bull. Workman. Oh, what are these cars, dog? I just want a Ronaldo. Can I please give me a Ronaldo? Can I please give me a Ronaldo? Oh. Oh. Holy shit. Oh. L's in the chat, bro. L's in the chat, bro. L's in the chat, dog. Shit, it's looking bad, bro. Fuck, this is looking bad, bro. L's in the chat right now, bro. L's in the chat right now. Shit. Alright, Tottenham Spurs right here. No. Real Madrid. Benjamin Franklin. I don't want this president ass. Real Madrid again. Marcelo, BVB. Oh, Jono. Oh, shit. God. Only got 3 more packs, y'all. Y'all think we gonna pull them? Or y'all spending dub? Alright, come on. Chad, we might gotta turn on the Portuguese anthem, y'all. For it to work. We might gotta turn it on for it to work. Come on, we might gotta turn it on for it to work. Come on.
雪花飘飘，北风萧萧，天地一片苍茫。
Why? 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 Forgot I had this lighter right here. Goodbye. Bye bye, Messi. Bye bye, Messi. You piece of shit. Fuck you, Messi. Ronaldo gang on top. Look at you, man. Ronaldo will forever be on top. Suey! Suey! Chat, bro, chat. Chat, say I'm gonna beat his ass right now. Chat, say I'm gonna beat his ass. Ooh. Yo, chat, you know what I should make Messi do? I should make him smell my ass right now. Yeah! It stink, don't it, nigga? Alright, y'all, let's keep opening up packs, y'all. Oh, I have so many packs, dog. Fuck, where did I put it? Oh, yeah, right here. Come on, PSG. Oh, we not pulling Ronaldo. We're just not pulling him. Chelsea. Oh, no. Dub. No. Haaland again? This is Haaland? No. BBB Bumblebees. No. Man United. Come on. Let's go. Man United. Let's fucking go. I've been waiting on it. Please, baby. Please, 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 please. 3 more packs left, chat. 3 more packs left, y'all. Man City. Oh my gosh. Liverpool. Sancho. Oh, that's not Sancho. Barcelona. Fuck, bro. Athletic Madrid. Oh, Herrera. Red Bull. Johnny Volte. Whoa. Who is this? Fucking Cortez. Oh, 2 more packs, bro. I'm up to my last 2 right now, bro. 2 in him. Oh. Come on, Man United, bro. Right here. Please, bro. Please. Come on, bro. Portuguese anthem right here, bro. Portuguese anthem right here. Please. Let's pray right here, y'all. This is it. This is it. This is it. This is it. Come on. Bismillah. Allahu Akbar. Inshallah. Mashallah. Bismillah. The fuck you looking at? The fuck are you looking at? The fuck? What? Oh my god! Barcelona! Oh, who's this bald head cunt? PSG. What's this? Sadio Mane, Liverpool. Oh my. Last pack, dog. Last pack, last pack, last pack, last pack, last pack, last pack. This is my last pack right here, y'all. This is my last pack. I swear to God. I don't have no more packs no more, bro. This is my last pack right here, bro. I swear to God. Yep. I can't. Yep. Damn, look at my room. God damn, chat. Look at my room. This is bad, isn't it? Holy shit. I know my room looks terrible. Alright, bro. Last pack, though, bro. Last pack, last pack, last pack. He's not in Juventus, y'all dumbasses. He's on Man United. Why it smell like something burning? Alright, come on. Come on, dog. Man City. Ryan Mares, not bad. FC Byron. Come on, no, FC Byron. Fuck, Mexico. Oh, Celtics, are you serious? No way I didn't get Ronaldo. Liverpool. Oh, Mohamed Salah, man. Bismillah Allah Akbar. Shout out to Egypt, but no fucking way. There's no way we didn't pull Ronaldo out of all them packs. I don't have no more packs for real? There's no way I didn't pull Ronaldo. I pulled Messi 2 times. Wait, it's one more. No, shut up. One more. I found one. Well, this might be the actually last one for real. Yeah, chat, but this might be the actual last one for real, though. This might be the actual last one. Like, seriously, like, deadass. This might be the actually last one. Oop, I'm doing it the wrong way. Fuck, get the lighting right. Man City. Oh, Fernandez. Oh my god, bro, I don't want you, bro. I don't want you either, bro. It's just not the one, bro. Like, I'm looking for that one, bro. Like, you're just not the one, man. You're not the one, bro. Like, come on, like, bro, like, all these, like, that, I mean, like, y'all cool and all, but it's just not the one, bro. You're not the one I'm looking for. You're not the one I want. I just want one person, bro. That one person that makes me happy, bro, every single fucking day, man. And I'm looking for that one person, and it's just not there, man. No fucking way, that's it, bro. That's it. That's actually it. I don't have any more cards. Damn, bro. Damn, bro.